This is a problem that involves solving differential equations. So the problem statement will be as such that a differential equation, it will be written in a differential equation form, and then the equation needs to be solved to find the solution of the problem. So this particular one states a weed is growing across a pond in a manner so that the rate of increase of area A it covers is proportional to A. So the rate of increase of area is proportional to the area. And it's written that it's given that initially the area is 1 square meter and after 10 days the area is 2 square meter. So we have to find the area covered after t days. So basically we have to find an expression involving t. So it says that the rate of change of area, that would be dA over dt, is proportional to area. So we can write Ka. K is the proportionality constant. So basically dA over dt, basically the problem says that dA over dt is proportional to A. So we can write it like this as a proportional constant with a proportional constant, and it becomes a differential equation. Now we need to solve this differential equation to get the equation of area. So first what we can do with this problem, we can actually rewrite it like this: dA over A and then K dt. Now if we integrate it, basically this is an integration. We integrate both sides, this one and this one. So I'm writing in one line. It becomes dA over A becomes ln of A is the variable, and in this side it will become t is the variable, so it will become kt plus proportional constant plus integration constant, that is c1. So that's there. This one can be written as a is equal to e to the power kt plus c1, or this can be written e to the power kt times e to the power c1, or e to the power c1 is just another constant, we can write it with c, so it becomes c e to the power kt a. So this is the solution equation, this is the solution basically, but there are two unknowns, c and k. We need to find those unknowns, and there are some information given. Initially the area is 1 square meter. Initially means when t is equal to 0. When t is equal to 0, a is 1. This information is given. So we can plug in those values. A is equal to 1 when t is equal to 0. So e to the power k times 0. So e to the power 0 is 1. So c becomes 1 from here. So our equation now becomes a is equal to e to the power kt. Since c is 1, I am not writing c, this it was c here, but it's 1. So that's there. Now we need to find k. There is another information that's given, that's after 10 days the area is 2 square meter. That means when t is equal to 10, area is 2. So it's 2 here, e to the power 10 times k. So that's it. 2 is equal to e to the power 10k. So we can write 10k equals to ln of 2, or k becomes ln of 2 over 10. That's the value of k. Now if we plug in that value here, a e to the power ln of 2 over 10 times t, we can write it like this one: e to the power ln of 2 times t over 10. Now e to the power ln of 2 is 2. So this one becomes a is equal to 2 to the power t over 10. We could have left the answer here. That would also be correct, but we can write it like that because e to the power ln of 2 becomes 2. So this is our solution. We have to find area in terms of t. Find the area covered after t days. So that will be in terms of t. And this is the area after t days. So that's the solution. That's the answer.